Nature, a force beyond imagination. It nurtures life, shapes landscapes, and holds secrets older than time itself. From the whispering winds of the forests to the roaring waves of the ocean, nature's beauty surrounds us. It is a masterpiece, painted in colors no artist can match. Yet, nature is not just gentle. It is powerful and unpredictable. Storms rage, rivers carve mountains, and fire shapes the land. Nature reminds us that we are only a small part of this vast universe. We depend on nature for air, water, food, and even peace of mind. A walk in the forest, a moment by the sea, nature heals us, both physically and mentally. But nature is in danger. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change threaten this delicate balance. If we do not act now, we may lose the very world that sustains us. But nature is in danger. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change threaten this delicate balance. If we do not act now, we may lose the very world that sustains us. The power to save nature is in our hands. A single tree planted, a beach cleaned, a plastic bottle recycled, every small action makes a difference. Transition to renewable energy sources drastically reduce reliance on fossil fuels usage in daily life, along with large industries, such as solar energy, wind energy, green hydrogen, etc. Nature gives without asking. It's time we give back. Let us cherish, protect, and live in harmony with the greatest gift we have, our planet. Nature is life. Nature is live. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more such contents.